Hello, everyone. Today is Monday, 6/12/2023. So I'm going to review a couple of trades I made in gold today, as usual. So before I get started, let me remind you to check the description of this video. There is a link for Apex funding, and then they end up their promotion for 80% discount with 80% recurrent by midnight tonight. So if you want to get your account free of risk, then probably today is a good day. It's a good day to do it. Also, if you check in the description, there is a link to my Discord channel where I explain the strategy I follow, and so you can interact there and also ask questions in the Discord server. All right, so with that, let's get started. Remember also to subscribe and like this video. I have 950 subscribers, so I'm pretty excited about getting the 1,000 one now. So yeah, so let's get started. So as usual, I came to my desk by 8 a.m., something like that today, and I tried to identify if this was going to be a trending day or just a range day. And if you see here, I don't have any trend moving. So from yesterday or from Friday's action or price action, it's actually kind of in the range, and today there was a continuation. That is what I saw, at least. So you have here the move down and then moving up, so it's kind of like choppy for me. And at this point I was thinking, okay, so the last part of the range right here was going to go, it's going like up, right? But it's still a range market. So with that, I was ready to face. To face the day. So here you see that there's a previous low there and the previous high is right there. So I was thinking, okay, so probably it's going to be a range day. With that information or with that bias, then I face the market. If you see in this area here, you do have the 30 minutes chart, and there's a move to the downside that was kind of in two legs. This one here, where it was, the first cross, and then the second one, what I was at 10 a.m. and then move down, and then you are facing this supply area here on the green arrow here, or the green section here, and so you have that one there. And so you can see also in the 30 minutes chart is very sideways. It's not going anywhere. It went a big sell-off right here and big buyout right here, and then coming back down. So it's kind of in the middle now. So yeah, with that information, then I was looking at these levels when it crossed to below the 50 SMA, which is the yellow dotted or the yellow segmented bar line right here. You can see that. Okay, so with that, let's go back and see the couple of trades I made here. So I do have the Renko 2 size 2. Let me open this one so you can see it's 2510, which is, I consider this one the small bar. But GC or gold, I traded in large bar. So I'm gonna move it to. So what I do is to identify with the small bar, because with that I have the most amount of pivots there. So, but after I do that, then I move it to my size of 4 there, and there is an entry right here. When it crossed actually the 30 minutes opening range. So this is a bottom here that happened around 8:20, no, 8:40 in the morning. So that one there, let me see, yeah, about 8:35, 8:40, and then moved up, and then it started to go down. There was a week out of nothing, actually, a reversal week right there. So I was not feeling comfortable because the price was in this in the cloud. So I really didn't want to take a trade right there. And just before the VWAP as well, I was coming into, if you see here, I was also in the middle of this channel I draw at the beginning. So it was kind of like risky to take it right above it. But then I saw that that it started to break out. And then when it confirmed right here, was moving below the smooth 50. So it's a moving average of 50 moving average. So then, and it was crossing the 30 minutes right below that that there. And so I placed my trade for this target, $440 right there. So and then it was there was this area of congestion where you could have a break to the upside or to the downside. In this this is an up down move, and actually I missed it. I was I took a break after I made this trade, and then it started to move down. When I caught it, it was already around this area, and it was a little bit too extended for me to take it. So this one is an up down move, and very nice setup right there for a trigger right at that point right there. I'm gonna paint it again. So that would be when after it goes, so you can take it there, or you can take it there, or you can take it there. Depends on your rules on this, on below that level. So that one was another $440 right there. I didn't take it though. And then gold started to move up again, and then I have this resuming of a downtrend, which is a good good entry, but it didn't work, right? So you have that entry right there. Momentum was moving to the downside, and what I consider a reset. That one is also a reset, but I was thinking on this break right there, right here. However, it went to the this price level right down here, which is what is it? 1963, and then bounced back up. And when it started to bounce, I decided, okay, so I'm not going to risk it, and I'm going to take profit there, very small, $50 there. So in between this one here and that one there, I made so $440 plus $50 is $490, and I just left it there. That I was okay with that profit for today. And then market started to, or gold started to move up and down. It went all the way to the VWAP now, and then move there. So probably it's going to go all the way to back to this area here. Now, if you see, this one was a risky trade because you are oversold in this area. You are in the green area, which is the a little bit farther than the measure move that you have from this area here, right, to that area there. Actually, if we put a measure move, then probably that would be, I'm gonna do that. So that one here, and then this one here. Yeah, exactly. I'd measure move for the second leg right there. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna delete that one. Okay, so yeah, that's the one trade I made today, $490. And on Friday I didn't trade at all. But there was a graduation for my kid, and so I was the whole day out, and I didn't even look the computers. So, all right. So thank you so much for watching, and remember to like this video, and see you next time.